The Jaintia National Council (JNC) on Tuesday claimed that the February 5th dynamite blast at a coal mine in Thangsko, East Jaintia Hills was not an accidental incident but suspected the involvement of a larger conspiracy. Speaking to reporters at the Shillong Press Club today, JNC President Sambormi Lingdor said the explosion could be linked to internal rivalry, alleging that two of the five mine owners had ceased operations prior to the incident. He maintained that the judicial inquiry instituted by the state government should not be confined to illegal coal mining activities alone, but must also examine the alleged entry of illegal immigrants into the state, particularly from Bangladesh. The organization further asserted that a blanket ban on coal mining is not feasible and urged upon the state government to introduce a regulated small-scale mining framework, stating that coal mining continues to serve as a key source of livelihood for many residents.
Kumkaway naka sem kawana po East Jaintia Hill District. Hagabaya day ba kini kajingja kaya ko bang ikwa panpampaw kalong ba nakaway ka po sa kaway ka po niya snow ba kajing tre do yung hapo Thangsko ka day ka balay lang do kata kamtam hagabaya day ba kajing wanra ya kinong tre nakiway pat kiri la punong naka Bangladesh ta kanihi kajing yo la lan ka jongki ba wanra kinong tre no po Bangladesh kamtam ni suba ba kani ka ba jia kam de shu ka accident kala dan ka ba shalender namangi ki ba sa apo Jaintia ka kam ki dewyong tre dewyong kala de ka we na ka lat kamay jackpot ka jongi ki nong Jaintia na ningila punong jong ka Jaintia hi boro ka we ta kum ki de ki jajinjia ki shajia mo na ka we ka por sa ka we ka por re kum ka ne ba ka ba jia manta ka lo ka ba kam itrim na ningila punong ka ba ompat jujia ta ni kum ka sengi ni snow ba ka dane shalender namar habang iphai sa ka we ka statement kabang yeri ba we unong balan sa to ka time la kran sa media wala ang bakidon santali ki par dewyong ki bayajan hindai don bak ba kata ba por badan ka jing bethe artali ki par dewyong ki sanga trekam hindai lada kita ki par dewyong ki pentre ka jing yap kanang khambun shushu ta kene hi ka pen subai ni kum ka sen yo de ba ka yo la se bakadan ka shalenden jong kene ka jingjia naman yeri ha ki social media kajing huri hura apo Bangladesh bakaladan ru kajing berngam ya omtang ka jela ka jongi hindre ya ka thain na isi baro kowe ta ba kajing tik jongi ru ki don ki bun ki khar Bangladesh ki batre shato nama mun shwa habadan kum kini ki incident nimla banong kam judon nama kajing tre doyong hi kam panlong scientific apo ka thain ka jongi duning ila banong mentala kan la nadu harja kat saw kala long no ka ba illegal ta kum kini ki jingjia ki jan re ki shuklat ki we armut kum ka accident case ma ka jing bakalaban tre ban kata andre ka ba je mentang i ka jingjap kala abon bar ka jing betheru kala ima kala long kum ka bomblas ngila banong tangi kum ka sa ka bang ikwa banong ang ner lomba ka jongpi ki perlo press media ki jongi ikwa ngi ba ka sarkar kala thung ya ka judicial inquiry tak ka bang ikwa banong ba kane ka inquiry kam de ban long tang na bunta kata ka jing tre be ai no dewyong hendai ikwa ru ba ka sarkar kan bu ya ka inquiry halor kane ka jing wanra ya kinong tre ki bana ka we pat kiri kham tam kum na kari Bangladesh namar kane ka jing bun jong ki khar Bangladesh apo kane kari ka jongi ka bu ka jing sir ka bakraw ya kari ba ka jing ka jongi omtang ya ka district ka jongi tangi kwa ru ba ka sarkar kan pemi ya ka we ka issue ban khandang namang ya kini ki brio ki basa be ai khamtam apo ka district ka jongi namang ka baja apo kene ka Thangsko kala pension sir ya ka district lene kala penkedit benriu ya ka jelai borok ko we ban khamtam be ngikwa ba ka illegal kan don ka jing bakhli khamtam ban pet benya ya kini ki kum kini ki jakam tenang ba kini ki brio ki batre ya to ki jaka kinum yo lailan ban wanra kita kinong train na kiwe pat kiri ki balong ki bla ban bu ka jing sir ya ka pateng lene ya ka riba ka jag benriu ka jongi tangi kwa ya ka sarkar bakan isu ya ka kanu ka jing khandang ya kini ki brio ki ba kila banong ki ba wansa be ai na po ka district ka jongi kumbang yo iha kiwe ki state kila sedang ban khandra khamtam ya kini ki brio ki ba na kiwe pat kiri ta ha ka ba ide pat ba kata ka jing on ka jing tre dewyong ka ba be ai Namar hoy ni iba ka sarkar kala ka ong makala werno ay kata ka jingkhang yaw dewyang kala wanra ay kata ka scientific mining henry ka ay ka babujing ay apat yang kipai ba kalong ba menta kata ka scientific mining habang i-apply ka ni ka prospecting license ni ka banungkong ay ni bandon ni ka jaka ka bachis pa hektar takani hi ka bujing ya kiwe pat kitrai jaka nama bun na kin ngimlen ngimong ba umdon ki badon jaka ma hande ki don ki badon ya ka jaka ka bashis pa hektar hande badong hi majority hi prapha percent hi kinong song ki badon ya ki par do yong ki de ki small scale tangi na ka we ka por sa ka we ngi kum ka JNC ngila pha ka jing thaw sha CF ngila pha ka jing thaw sha ka mining and geology department jong ka sarkar jala padahal kini ki umusne baladem Gidang depa ka jing thawat shadu MP jongi bantukla halor kani ka jing dawa ka jongi kata dalam banwan ra da ka small scale scientific mining namar bangin la ban penujai ya kani ka jing trebe ai ngidon kam ya ka mining ka balang ai ka balang scientific nang akum kini ka jing ja kinum ja henry mental da ngiyai be da ka ai ka ba sarkar jalla kala sedang kata dalam ka open cast mining ka bangi hamandon kam hadu sis pa hektar ka jaka kalau ke ke ba mujinga yaki padba bara tangi kum ka jansi ngisneu ba sarkar kala de ban phai mat ka small scale scientific mining hoy kene ke jinja pa Thangsko kam shemla penkendit tangai ke jela ka jongi henre kala penkendit buat ya kari India hi baro akawe na bak ni la yo ileng ba ki press and media bawan prime minister buro jongi Narendra Modi ji ula pha ya ko bor snolem but ula airu ka compensation na banta ki ne ki bala khlat na baram tang kata ru ni iba ki wei pat ki union minister jong ka government of India ki la pha ya ka khubor ka jing penrem ya ka te ka jing ja ne ka message ka bagi kwa ban pha kum ka JNC shaki ne ki nong elam di jong ki khamtam jong ka central government khamtam sha o prime minister brom jong ni ilang bun phai mat lem om tang sha ne ka jing ja Henry bikin paik mat lem sa kajing kebangi kum keri bat kajat benriu ni Thangko na kawe ka por sa kawe ngila dawa ya ki ang ki bakhlai ban yada ya keri bat kajat benriu Henry na kalian ka sarkar India kadang senap jar la kini kajing dawa ka jongi khamtam kum ya ka ILP bat ka ba ka long kajing dawa ka jongi ya ka small scale scientific mining ka balong terpang nak benta ka ne ka bala ja ka ja na ka daw jong deu yong Taknang ban penimpat sa chisen ya kene kajing trade yong ka jongi namar ban ong ban sukhang ya kajing trade yong kalong ka ka bamla ban long namar kene kala ya day bat ka jakpo jong ki jongi hi ki kum kinong song sunong apo izentia ba jong ka jentia hi boro ko we tangi ko aro ba sarkar India kanong kutang ka kajing pha ya ki compensation penitang ki kubor ban penrem ban keno ya ka balaja.
The death toll in the February 5th dynamite blast at a coal mine in Thangsko, East Jayant Hills district has increased to 30 after 3 injured workers succumbed to the injuries on the 9th of February 2026. Raju Tamang, 34 years of age, who was undergoing treatment at Negrims, died on Sunday evening, while 2 others passed away at Silchar Medical College and Hospital in Assam. Earlier, 18 bodies were recovered on the day of the explosion, followed by 8 the next day and 1 subsequent death at Negrims, taking the previous toll to 27. In the aftermath of the incident, a joint drive by the district administration and police resulted in the seizure of illegal coal from several locations, including 6 metric tons from Lumshirmit Chamcham, 10 metric tons from roadside areas near Chamcham, and Mukhayalong, 2 metric tons along the Mutong Mukhayalong road, and 20 metric tons from Panthor Sale. Makeshift camps used by illegal miners were also dismantled during the operation. District authorities have registered FIRs in connection with illegal mining activities, and investigations are ongoing to identify those involved. Officials further informed that Rs 24 lakh has been disbursed to the families of 8 victims, with additional compensation subject to verification of documents by the next of kin.